Good morning, traders. It's Trader Rob. Today is Monday, August 26th. Last week of trading for August. I've got three. What is it? Let's see here. I got a full trading week left to get August strategies back to break even. It's been an uphill fight, but we have clawed back pretty damn well over the last 2 weeks. And even if I can get August to break even, I'm going to consider that a win for myself. I am a very simple trader, and I want to just continue with my rules and my conditions. I will give you an update on some of the tweaks that I have made to my strategies, and right after the intro, let's get into it. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so as I stated, I think we've got... let me take a look. So if I pop into my Discord, actually, let's bring it up here. Let's bring it up here on screen. These are my levels. Let's go to the stats. All right, so I've got stats going back, pretty much at the end of the month. I give a recap of the stats in its entirety for the month. During the current month, which we're in August now, I give it every single week. So we kind of have an idea. February, we're up 3,100. March, up 4,400. April was a bad month, minus 2,880. May up 4,100, June up 5,700, July up 4,040, August week 1 we were up 560 by the end of the week. I think that was only like 2 trading days. August week 2 we got all the way down to negative 3,090, and that was with all of those Rob reversals. I think we had like 3 losers in a day on that super high volatility day. Then we get to week 3, we brought that total back down to 2,200. Last week we were able to bring that total down to 1,150. So this is what we got to make up here for this week here in August. Taking a look, sorry for putting those. I had the labels on with that Discord. My bad. Let me take off that. I hate it when I do that. All right, taking a look at the trades from Friday. We had a oil session 1 loser. Now, I did not trade oil session 1 last week. I put that one on, put it on the shelf. Obviously, if we take a look at the stats, oil session 1 is performing extremely bad here in August. So we're down 209 ticks for the month. So based on that, so for this week, I will not trade session 1. And then going into the next month, I will not be trading oil session 1. So I will concentrate on oil session 2, gold, and the 15-minute Rob reversal. We unfortunately did not get a setup in oil for session 2. We did get an inside bar, but this is your last inside bar of the session. Taking a trade at this point would be outside of our trading window. Obviously, yes, I understand that would have been a very nice winner. And in gold, I believe we did not have also a setup, no setup in gold on Friday. Okay. Also, no 15-minute Rob reversal. So we had one positive 15-minute Rob reversal for the entire week of last week. I think we had a day where we had 3 trades and 2 winners, 1 loser. All right, so let's get into our levels for today. Unfortunately, I don't really have a setup here yet for the morning. My levels on the 15-minute time frame is this is on the ES. We're at 56.60. We've got another level below us at 56.51. And then we've got some 5-minute levels at 56.45, 56.41, and 56.35. Taking a look at the NQ. NQ's got a level pretty much exactly where we're at right now. But if we go over the 15-minute levels first, we've got one at 19,881, 19,841, and 19,620. Our 5-minute levels are at 19,990, 918, 763, which is where we're currently at right now, and 19,535. So yet no real good setups here yet, because obviously, yes, a very common pattern on the NQ and the ES. We try to take out some liquidity from here, and then we might just come right back. But the problem with that trade is that I don't really have a decent, I really don't have a decent stop loss, because the distance between this level and this level, in my opinion, is just too great. So I will kind of sit on the sidelines here and just kind of see what price action does during the morning. We might get a level, another strong level very close to one of these levels, where if we can get a retracement back, that might be a trade setup that we will take. So there's not a trade setup every single day that I can post in the morning time, but the ones that I do, when I actually, draw them out pretty well, you guys have been seeing that they've been hitting really, really well. And actually, the levels have really saved me here in August extremely well. I will hopefully make a recap on the trades just on that as well. So again, we've got we're going to start one trade at a time, one day at a time. Let's just try to win this last week. We've actually won 3 weeks in August. We had one really bad week with the 15-minute Rob reversals, and then obviously oil session 1 has kind of been an anchor on a bad anchor. It's been dragging us down here, but that's okay. That's a part of trading. Small tweaks, small adjustments. That's typically all you need to do in your trading to hopefully be successful. With that, let's try to get into the green today, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.